Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start the update now. First, confirm you have a stable internet connection and a little free disk space so the download completes. Close large programs and save any open files because Chrome will often relaunch itself. Next, open Chrome, click the menu icon, 3 dots, then choose Help about Google Chrome. The browser immediately checks for updates and begins downloading automatically. This step both detects your current version and triggers the updater, so don't navigate away until it finishes. Once the About page shows a download in progress, let it complete. This gets the installer and patches. If the download stalls, make sure VPNs or proxies aren't blocking connections. Temporarily disable them and retry because network filtering often causes timeouts. If your device is managed by an organization, check update policies in system settings. Those can delay installs. When the download finishes, click Relaunch. Chrome will restart and apply the update, which replaces binaries and migrates your profile safely. After relaunch, return to About to verify the new version number. This confirms success. Make sure automatic updates are enabled on your OS so future patches install silently. That keeps security and performance improvements current. If Chrome still won't update, run a simple reinstall. Uninstall, download the latest installer, and reinstall. This often solves corrupted updater components. Key troubleshooting tip: if updates repeatedly fail, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall and use the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.